Over the trees, climbing the peaceful moon, as my beloved, fair and beautiful. Oh, my love, where are you? Now I am in tears. Do you hear me cry? You are the one who gives me love. You are the one who cares about me. You are the one who thinks of me always. You are the one who cherishes my life. Moon back to the other side of sky. Don't make my beloved wait too long. Please tell him that I miss him. Don't forget to carry along with my love, along with my love. Wild geese in pairs, flying far away. Will they bring back word from my beloved? Oh, please, please lend me your wings. I can fly back to my warm hometown. I will repay the concern of my beloved. I want to tell him, don't be sad. I will give you the answer you're pleased with. So the efforts you paid will not be in vain. How I wish I could soon be grown up, to be free from the wandering, painful life. Oh, my love, please wait for me. I'll fly away from the luxury of this world. I will repay the concern of my beloved. I